Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if your Lorex camera is not connecting to Wi-Fi, don't worry, this is a common setup issue and it can be fixed very easily. So first of all, most of the Lorex Wi-Fi cameras support the 2.4 gigahertz only. So if your router is using 5 gigahertz, the camera is not going to connect. So the very first thing that you can do is you can just simply switch to 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi before the setup. Now, if the setup failed before, you can just simply reset it first. For that, you just have to press and hold the reset button for about 10 to 15 seconds. Then you can wait until the camera restarts. This removes any of the previous connection errors. Now, during the setup, just keep the camera close to the router. Weak signal can stop the connection process completely. So once connected, you can move it to its final location. While setting up in the application, make sure that you are entering the correct password. Avoid any typing mistakes and keep the Wi-Fi name very simple. It should not have any special characters if possible. Also make sure that your phone has the location on and the Bluetooth settings on. So these two settings are needed for proper device detection during the setup. Now sometimes the issue is with the network. So in that case, you just have to unplug the router for about 60 seconds. Then you just have to turn it back on. So after that, you can try the camera again. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.